In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Uber driver app. Whether you're new to the platform or looking for a quick refresher, I'll guide you step by step through the process of gaining access to your Uber driver account. Let's get started. First, open your device and go to the Uber driver app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to visit the App Store or Google Play to install it. Having the app ready on your device is your gateway to starting your journey as an Uber driver. Once you have the app open, you'll see the login screen. Here you'll need to decide whether to enter your email address or continue with Google. If you already have an Uber account linked to your Google account, this option can simplify the process as it automatically links your login credentials. However, if you prefer using your email, type in your email address and ensure it is the one associated with your Uber account to avoid any login issues. Next, the app will ask you to enter your first and last name. This step is straightforward but crucial as it helps Uber verify your identity and ensures that all account activities are linked to the correct individual. Ensure that the names you type in match exactly with the information you used during the initial sign-up process. Following that, you will need to enter your phone number. This number should be the one linked to your account to ensure seamless insights and updates about your rides, earnings, and other essential notifications. Then, tap on Agree and Next. By clicking this, you are confirming that all the information you have entered is accurate and you are ready to proceed to the subsequent step. Afterward, you'll be prompted to choose a location. This usually refers to the area where you intend to drive and offers you relevant details and insights specific to that region. Choose carefully because this can impact the notifications and job offers you receive. Now, you'll need to choose how you want to earn with Uber. Options may include driving passengers, delivering food, or possibly other services based on local demand. This choice aligns your preferences with the opportunities Uber presents to you. Make sure to select the option that best fits your schedule and interests. To continue, click I agree and continue, indicating your consent to Uber's terms of service related to the roles you have opted into. Finally, you'll be required to complete any remaining details related to your profile. This might involve adding your vehicle information, uploading necessary documents, or completing any other pending profile tasks. Make sure all entries are accurate to avoid delays in account activation. And there you have it. You're now logged in and ready to start earning with the Uber driver app. Thank you for watching this quick guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content. Safe driving.